try to understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night.
The beach day closes tomorrow, so had to get in early. We've done Magic Kingdom, Epcot, and Animal Kingdom so far. We haven't done Hollywood Studios. A little bit burned from yesterday at Epcot. No shade whatsoever. See you at Blizzard Beach. Oh, first we're going Perkins. If it gets on my hand, I'm gonna scream. Hey yo! Yeah, go up his leg. Go, go. Go up his leg. I touched him! Can I please? Okay. What? What's wrong with him? There's nothing wrong with him.
I don't want to be bullied by now.
I'm not bullying! It's time. Excited. Oh my god. I've not got your nips in.
Oh no, I was just hoping.
Oh, okay. Oh, look at you. You look like Jason Mraz or someone. I can feel all my bits wobbling. It's very nice.
I would do anything just to get you back again. I would do anything at all. I know I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man.
Cold?
Let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin. 'Cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Otherwise I'll lose it again. tide take her from the middle. Over to here.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else, but you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, 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 I wanna take you out. Ooh, 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 show you what I'm all about. Ooh, 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 make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him, I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
We must be getting so old because both of us are just laying here and we're just like, oh, just need to lay down.
Golden oldie.
So nice though, so relaxing. This is Disney, it's not supposed to be relaxing. Haul for the outlets later because we got big stuff,
Yeah.
big hauls coming. But at the moment we're just going to Epcot, eat some food because we haven't eaten since Perkins, so a bit hungry now.
Yeah.
Changed into my trainers now because my feet were really hurting. But yeah, so going to Epcot and then later on we'll go to Disney Springs. Holy ball! It is hot. Very hot.
Great balls of fire.
No, great ball of fire.
Great ball?
Ball. One. Plural. Not plural. Singular. It's very busy.
The plural of plural.
Plurals.
Pluraline.
Last day before Fountain of Nations. Stopped running. So sad. We're going to Test Track though. It is bloody boiling. But we've got a fast pass. Haven't we?
Eh? What?
Fast pass.
Fast
Test
pass.
Track. Oh. Test Track arse parse.
Oh,
When does Mouse Gear close?
in a couple of days as well.
Oh, a couple days. Oh.
Basically when
Really?
it closes, so maybe next.
No, wait, was it Mouse Gear in the winter? Yeah, it might be. Winter. Very busy here today. The line just to get pass holder magnets, wow. Oh my god, it goes all the way back here. Test Track.
More power test.
We're back in Epcot. The globe is out. Don't know why. We've gone back to Mexico.
Mexico. We got the bread pudding.
We got the
this
taco
time.
and chocolate bread pudding. So I'm going to try it. Chelsea said it's all right. It's weird.
It's very soggy.
It's almost like it's not cooked in the middle.
Yeah. I'm going to give
good.
that a 5 out of 10.
I've also got beer as well.
What beer?
It's called the Cerveza, por favor.
Oh, is it actually called that?
It's a beer with like some sort of liqueur in it, and it's really fruity.
It
just tastes like dark fruits.
Out of 10?
I'll give it a 10.
No.
It's a good beer.
I think it tastes like
Stronger
brandy
dark
or
fruits.
something.
Maybe, yeah. It is a liqueur, so.
And then I got the 10 out of 10 pork taco.
Take that point.
Yeah. That one, the bread pudding, is another grower, not a shower. So it got nicer the more I tasted it. So take it.
Okay.
I'm gonna give it a 6.5 out of 10. Still not a great score, but it's all right.
7.
Oh, you're a sweet guy though.
Thanks. I'll try.
Number 1. Great guy. Number 2.
Number 1 duck.
Hello. So nice to see you. Oh, thank you. Oh, we're going over here again. Got the bao bun.
Mala, chicken and shrimp bao.
Go for
Spicy.
it. Ooh. Good?
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, better than the chicken shrimp or?
No, different.
Okay, we'll give it a rating after. I went for this again. It's so good. Can't wait. Well, I spilt some of it down my top.
Have you?
Yep. And your rating?
For the bao bun, it was a 9. It was really good.
Yeah. Yeah, I would give it a 9 as well. And the noodles were amazing. Still, 10. Thank you. Oh, aircon. That's good aircon. Oh, that's so cool. Oh, they must sell that because it's a toy.
It's
Why?
supposed to be the best one.
Why though?
Like the graphics and sort of the way it's presented.
His name's Jay and his name is Curtis.
It's the first ever Disney castle dedicated to all Disney princesses.
Oh, that's interesting. Already started before vlogging, but this is from Africa. The peri peri shrimp. Couscous. Pretty good.
Oh, that couscous.
Yeah, nice. And then, I don't know what this is on the side. It's like a bean chili thing. Nice. Tastes like a bean fajita.
Yeah, it just tastes like fajita mix.
It's good. Shrimp. You want to hold that? Yeah. Oh, I bet my fork. Oh my gosh. Ah. Ooh, chunky boys.
Alright, we're moving. We're done.
Really good.
Really good.
Really juicy. Not a lot of peri peri though.
I don't think there's that much flavour. I like the bean chili better.
I think I do too, actually. 7.
Yeah. So, something funny just really happened. Wait, something really funny just happened. Like that. And James tried to speak German in the German
I got
pavilion.
stage fright.
And he messed up. He didn't know what they were saying.
I did, but it's just that it didn't register, and then the other woman spoke English, and it took me out of it.
Out your bubble,
my bubble.
Of wrongness.
Yeah.
But you got beer. As good as last time.
Yeah.
And I got paella from Spain. So I will rate it. Right, so Spain. It was dry. It tastes like jambalaya, to be fair. Actually, I've just got that kick and it tastes like jambalaya.
I've never had jambalaya.
The chorizo had like 0 flavour apart from the big one on top. And it just wasn't great, like, at all.
Really dry.
Really dry. So I'm gonna give that 4.5. Yeah, 4.5.
4. An insult to the taste bud.
Also, forgot to mention that the rice tasted like the bird's eye rice that you used to get as a kid with like golden vegetables in it. Not pleasing at all. Here comes the train. Choo choo. Choo choo.
It's so cool.
Here comes another one. Hey, what do we got? We got from Japan. Oh, it's a nice shop.
Good shot.
We got teriyaki chicken bun. Oh, it's big.
What?
It's big.
What do you think?
It's good. You will love it.
I can't remember the last time I had teriyaki.
You will love it. Gonna.
Really good. Really sweet.
Yeah. I don't know if I like that about it.
I don't know if I'd have it again though.
Oh.
Kind of reminds me, it's a sweeter version of the char siu we get from the thing in place in Tottenham.
Yeah, definitely. I'm gonna give it a 6. 6.5.
Yeah. 6.5, 7.
Crystalline, fabulously, can you flex, show some respect, no you and me? Now try your best to stay calm. Brush up your surface around. And come and make a spectacular pottery. Expressly. Everybody clap your hands, come on. Look at me. Very good. Let's do her blue, let's play some songs. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Hurry. Look at me. Come on in, come on in. Come on in, come on in. Everybody clap your hands. Clap, 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 clap. You're supposed to be screaming, everybody. Come on. All right. It's a beautiful day in Morocco. Morocco.
My God, that is the line for cheese bread. We will not be queuing in that, even though we want to very much. We will come back another day. Hey James, do you want to vlog my crack?
Oh, nice crack.
Ready?
Yeah, come.
Oh my God. Oh, can't get it out. Ah! Ready?
Is it good?
Yeah, it's good. I've never had creme brulee. I don't know what that's got at the bottom.
No, chocolate. Hazelnut chocolate. Or chocolate hazelnut, whatever. Something.
Ah,
Something hazelnutty.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
I think that ruins it, but hey, let's give James a try. Get some of the crispy boys.
Do you know what? It's nice, but it needs to be hot.
I mean, it's warm,
Not warm now.
but I feel like the chocolate hazelnut ruins it. I don't know if that's traditional, but I feel like it ruins it. I'm gonna give it 6.
6.
Yeah. On our way to the UK Pavilion. See Kristen Haley. You inspired us to become vloggers. Oh look, the UK Pavilion. Very authentic. People spilling out the pub. Onto the road. Probably can't see it. I'll show you in a bit. I'm armed to the teeth. Very busy. Rammed in there. What you got?
Frozen pins.
Ooh, fancy. Very fancy.
I love the pins. Do you want the cucumber?
No, I'm good. Oh, can't see it. Yeah, sausage and mash. Or sausage and something, I don't know.
Yeah, it is mash, I think. Whole can and potatoes.
We'll see. From Ireland. On first taste, amazing. Like, really amazing. The sauce, like the oniony gravy, is so good. Sausage to me tastes like American sausage more than like a English. Well, I guess I've never had Irish, but I thought it'd be like an English sausage. But it's really good.
It's very, very nice. Really smoky potatoes, it's nice.
Yeah, really smoky.
Yeah, pretty good.
I think,
Very oniony.
yeah, I think I'm giving out my next 10. I think she's a 10.
9.
9. What could be better?
I don't know, but it's just not there yet.
lamb chop with sweet potato puree and some other from Australia. This smells incredible and they can't keep up with it in the kitchen because it's so popular. So let's try.
Good.
Holy
That sweet from the pomegranate.
that is so good.
That is amazing.
That's a 10.
It's really fatty, really nice.
Yeah, really fatty. Oh my god, that's so good.
That sweet from the pomegranate.
Yeah, it goes so well. Okay, let me get my weapon of choice. I don't know what these crispy bits are.
Pistachios or something.
No, these.
Oh, I don't know.
Onion or something?
Too sweet.
Yeah. The rest of it I'm not a fan of, but the lamb is 10 out of 10. As a dish, I'll give it a 9.
Oh, I think the rest of it brings it down for me.
It
Lamb's
brings
10,
it down, but not that much.
So we're in a very busy Disney Springs. It's very busy today. Chicken guy.
My feet's hurt.
Her feet's hurt. My
Really
feet's
bad.
hurt. We're going to try and find somewhere to just have a cocktail and have a little bit of a chill.
Just filming us walking.
Yeah. It's very enjoyable for everybody.
All night, so I can't wait forever. Give me one more night, just one more night. Oh, one more night, so I can't wait forever. Like a river to
We're in Uniqlo. Not happy because Chelsea won't let me buy this. It's only $40 and it's made of cardboard. I really want to be a samurai, but
I
she
will
won't
make
let me.
you one.
Fine. Video evidence, you have to.
First time seeing the new World of Disney. Well, saw it last year. Yeah, saw it last year, but this year it's finally complete. So it's massive. It's great. Ooh. Oh. This is a different entrance to last year as well. Came in a different entrance, but this is the new side. Yeah, all Halloween. Oh, it's so cool. Oh, look at all the Loungefly bags.
Oh, nice.
They have the castle bag. Oh, look at it. Huh?
Do you like these?
What is this? No. I don't like that pink colour. What is it?
I don't know. Oh.
Oh, look at the other one. James in his element. Aren't you, Bubs?
Yes.
Oh, it's not that big. They do have your hat, by the way, the one that you like,
Really?
at the resort. Yeah. Most of them.